Now you can see that elements and the attributes of that. Now you see this is one statement, or we can say that web page document it is. Anchor tag is being written in this. You see this anchor tag started. H reference is a hyperlink, it is going to be referencing with the opening tag it is going to be. So here this is a attribute. Okay, H reference is the attribute for that. Then this is the location where it is going to connect. Okay. Then closing of that bracket is there. Now you see that double quotes are going to be there here and here. Then central part, this is the content. So this will be get hyperlinked. Okay. Then there is a end tag of that anchor tag. Okay. So here what happens? This anchor tag is getting closes here. This is the opening tag. This is closing tag. Now, if there is a break is there, this break is another command. It is another tag. It is going to be. So it is going to have its own that is a end element. So we can write directly like this. There is no start tag. So directly you can write end tag. So this is a br/ closing this. So this indicates the break statement. It is means after one line. So when it comes to the second line, you can break this one. Okay, you can use this particular tag. Nesting of elements. Okay, so how it is going to be in the hierarchy way that it is going to be present. Now you see that first will be the body. Before this HTML is there. In the case of your HTML5, directly you can start with the body only. Okay, so body is there. Then there's a P is nothing but a paragraph tag it is. Okay, then we have this paragraph. You can paragraph started, paragraph ends here. So in between that you can write anything. There is a data, you can write it. There is a strong is there. This is one more tag it is. Strong is nothing but bold it is. Okay, you can here you can use even B also, strong also. Anything is okay. Okay, but here it is being used strong. Then text is there. Then closing of this. Now you see that here what happens. So this will be written in normal, and only text is highlighted. Getting highlighted here. Okay. Then H1 starts. This is the title goes here. Title. So it will be in the bold fashion. Then H1 closes here. There is a division. Okay. So separately it has been made. Okay. Then under that you will be going to write again. This is important. So span you will be going to use. Span means it is going to be here. What happens? It separates that particular elements here. Okay. Under div span, it is going to separate this particular element, and only for this you can able to apply the your tags, different tags that you can able to apply here. Then div ends, span it ends here only. Okay. Div ends here. Now the thing is that wherever that you are going to apply any tags, okay, so those tags are going to be getting included only with this particular fashion. That is nothing but a top down approach. Okay, so top is the body, then goes on down, that is children's will be there for that. Then paragraph is there, H1 is there, div is there, then one more paragraph is there, span is there. So these are all the elements within the body. Okay. So here it is being shown. The correct nesting is H1 started here. Now you see strong is there here, strong closes, then only H1 closes here. Okay. So if this strong closes outside here, then it is wrong. So this is incorrect information also it is there here. Okay. Now next let us learn about the HTML that is a semantic markup. Now what do you mean by semantic markup language? Semantic means the way in which you will be going to present that particular data in the proper format that you have to present it. So for that we will be going to use cascading style sheets. So the way in which that we will be going to make it good looking format, that at that time the CSS is going to help us to make this format. So semantic format is the proper way of writing that particular elements in the program. You are going to use this structured way. Okay. So it is a vital way of communicating information in a paper and electronic documents. It's nothing but what basically what we are saying in this is a structured way of representing the articles, headings, lists, paragraphs, links. All these things are going there. These things we will be going to write it in the proper format. So there is what a structured way of writing the application or program. So what this semantic markup language is going to have, okay, the advantages of over the HTML. So here you can say that maintainability, faster way of accessing, accessibility, search engine optimization. Now you see that maintainability is nothing but what. So whenever that you will be going to change some of things. Okay, so this will help us to make in one particular location changes, then everywhere that is getting reflected. Faster way of execution, or finding the you can able to download some of the applications. So this will help us, the semantic web, which it is going to help us that we can download the documents very easily and faster way also. And there is accessibility. So accessibility is nothing but when you will be going to open that particular document, so you can able to read the data faster manner, and the neat way of representation will be there, so it is easy to understand. Then next is a search engine optimization, where the way of you will be going to search for the documents is going to be easy. So the way in which that you will be going to search the web pages, that is going to be the formatted way, that if you want to write only the syntax what that you need, those things if you write it, so it is going to get downloaded for you. Structure HTML documents. How to write that, the document? Simple way of writing your HTML documents, it is going to be, first you will be going to write this document, then HTML. Now you see here the less than symbol is there. There is a exclamatory mark, doc type, and HTML. Then closing of this. What is the meaning of this? So when you say that this less than symbol, then exclamatory mark. Whenever the exclamatory mark is going to be there, then it is called as a remark statement. This is not going to get executed in the program. Then doc type, which this is a document. So which type of document this is? So that it is being mentioned here. This is a HTML document, or otherwise JavaScript, whatever that it is there, that you have to mention it in this. Next is the title is there. Title is, you see, a very small document. Where it has been written, you see here. The output is shown over here only. Okay. When this program is getting executed, on the screen that you will be going to get like this here. Okay. A very small document that has been shown. This is a program. When it is executed, you will be able to see this. Then there is a paragraph is there. Okay. If you write like this, that simple paragraph, whatever that is within the paragraph P, ending P, the same list is going to be present here. The document is going to be present here. That is the advantage of your HTML. Okay. Now a little bit more, if you are going to think about this program, we have this HTML5 requirements here. Okay, as that's what he said. HTML5 doesn't require HTML head and body. Directly you can able to write. That also it is possible. Okay? But still, for the format that you can able to write all these things. Doc type is the HTML, head language is English, double quotes is there. Okay, here head is there, language is an attribute for this. Okay? So data on data is nothing but like this only. This head is a data. Okay? On this, which language, all these things are going to be present for that. Okay, so that is data on data, there is a metadata. Then the character set is going to use the UTF-8. Then after a little title is there, title is going to be shown here. Then title closes, link, relation, okay, to style sheet, S reference, CSS or main dot CSS. Okay, double quotes has been written. Then after script, source language, source, JS or HTML5, some file name of that JS. It closes here, head closes, body starts. H1 is there, again main headings and all these things, body closes and HTML closes. What is the meaning of this? Basically, this program teaches that there's a language which is in English language. Okay, the meta character set that is going to be used here. then title is so and